Hey guys, today I've got a quick review of this portable monitor from KYY, and this is a 4K monitor. So it's actually pretty difficult to find a good quality portable monitor that's going to support 4K on Amazon. So let's go ahead and check this thing out and see, is it the best 4K portable monitor? So I like to always do just a quick little unboxing here to see kind of what we're working with. Go ahead and undo it here. We'll go through the accessories first. A little brick right here. That's interesting. And then we have the monitor itself, as well as some other things in here. Let's see. This is our USB-A to USB-C cable instruction manual. This should be our data transfer cable. So this is going to be USB-C to USB-C. Comes with nice covers on it. Like to see that. And then lastly here, we have a HDMI cable if you want to use that, and it does go to mini HDMI on the monitor itself because it's so slim. So let's check out the monitor. The monitor comes in a nice little anti-static sleeve, and this is the cool thing about this one. So this has a little built-in case here, almost like a little iPad cover, and it shows you how to use the smart cover, but it's nice and intuitive. So we'll go ahead and peel off this little screen protector here. And I can already tell this is going to be very, very crispy. So when you're done using this, you flip this closed. Otherwise, you can flip it around back. So to use it as a stand, you want to go ahead and pop this out, flip this stuff forward, and then it's going to rest on this right here, as you can see. So you can have it at a slight angle like this, or you can have it at a more steep angle, which is probably what I'll do, like this. So let me give you a better view of that. This would be the more steep angle, and then you can drop it down like this to have a little bit of a shallower angle, but it's nice that you can do both. So now I want to show you guys just how easy this is to plug into a laptop or another device. I'm going to go ahead and take my USB-C cable and plug it directly into my laptop and then into the monitor. Now the great thing about using the USB-C cable is you don't need a separate power for the monitor. If you use the HDMI cable, then you're going to have to use a separate power cable, which is what that power brick was that came in the box. So plug one end of the USB-C into my monitor, the other end will go into the monitor right here. And I've got a nice 4K video right now playing, and we'll see the difference in quality between just a 1080p laptop screen and then a 4K little screen like this. So, okay, there we go. Now I'll give you guys a close-up view, and as you can see, it was incredibly easy to hook up, and you can see my mouse and stuff on there, and I can already tell that is a very crisp image. So let's take a look. So just getting a nice little view of the quality of this monitor. Pretty insane. And then you can see that compared to my main screen, still pretty good. But this is much, much more crisp because this has way more pixels, over 4 times more pixels than a 1080p screen in the same form factor here. Now the brightness is also pretty dang good. And I just love how easy it is to unplug this here when you're done, flip the screen down, and then boom, you're ready to carry this wherever you want. So as far as the ports, let's take a look at that. Like we mentioned, we've got 2 USB-Cs, our mini HDMI here, and then you've got some other interface type buttons right here, speaker right here as well. Overall, very, very pleased with the quality of this. The video quality is awesome. The form factor is awesome. It's protected for going around. I will leave links down below, guys. Check it out.